shoot that up.
Come in. Come in. Every time I come in this room, your lame ass always on that ugly ass red computer, nigga. Take that shit back to the store, you ugly ass bum ass nigga. You ugly as fuck. Your toes crusty as fuck. Need to get in a fucking shower for once in your fucking life. Need to go get a fucking application. You goddamn 18 in the 8th grade. Get a fucking 7th grader, nigga. What the fuck is wrong with you? She fucking 13, nigga. Get a fucking life, bitch. Nothing you just said makes sense. You know what don't make sense? How your girlfriend got AIDS and she in the 7th grade, bitch. I'm finna beat you. I told you not to talk about. Nigga lost his damn mind. I told you not to talk about my girl, didn't I?